Hi, and welcome back to Chuck's Corner, where I share real stories from CNC manufacturing. The ones that remind us why precision matters and how sometimes the problem isn't in the code, the machine, or the tooling. It's hiding in plain sight. This one's called The Mystery of the Phantom Hole. I was running a repeat job, steel brackets, simple drill, mill, chamfer, same setup I've always used, no issues. But this time, one hole kept coming just slightly off, not way out, less than 0.5 millimetre, but out of tolerance. I checked the cam, fine. Machine, spot on. Tools and offsets, they were all good. I even ran it on another machine, still off. At this point, I was about ready to rewrite the whole program until I checked the fixture. Boom, there it was. The locating pinhole on the subplate had worn just enough to let the part rotate ever so slightly. The drill was going exactly where it was told, just on a misaligned part. I reamed the hole, replaced the pin, and like magic, the phantom hole disappeared. And honestly, stuff like this happens all the time in CNC shops. Sometimes it's not your program or machine, it's a fixture issue. That job reminded me, you can dial in every number, but if your setup's not solid, your parts won't be either. Ever chased a ghost error that turned out to be something simple? Drop your story in the comments and it might help someone else avoid a few headaches. If these stories from the shop floor hit home, give it a like, leave a comment and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp and own the process.